Hi, and welcome to the June 2021 Sky Report. I'm Patrick So. The brilliant planet Venus returns to our evening sky this month. You can see it easily just above the west-northwest horizon soon after sunset. On the 11th, look for the 1.5-day-old waxing crescent moon and Venus. They are separated by 2 degrees from each other in the constellation of Gemini the Twins above the twilight glow in the west. 2 days later, the waxing crescent moon is 3.5 degrees above Mars in the west-northwest. In the evening sky, there are a few bright stars to look for. Spica is in the constellation of Virgo the Maiden, located about 40 degrees above the southern horizon on the 15th. Below Spica to the southeast is the reddish star Antares in the constellation of Scorpius the Scorpion. To the ancients, this star was known as the rival of Mars because its reddish color was similar to Mars. This picture of Antares was taken through a telescope by our telescope demonstrator Anthony Perkic. At top right is a globular star cluster known as NGC 6144, located 29,000 light-years from Earth. Rising in the east and the northeast, the stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair form an asterism known as the Summer Triangle. The presence of these stars in the evening marks the arrival of summer. Summer solstice is on June 20th, where the sun reaches the most northern point in its path around the sky. From Los Angeles, the sun is 79 degrees above the southern horizon at local noon. This is the maximum noontime altitude of the sun for the entire year. The summer solstice marks the beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere and the beginning of winter in the southern hemisphere. Turning to the morning sky, the waning gibbous moon is located 5 degrees below Saturn in the constellation of Capricornus the Sea Goat above the southern horizon. The next morning, the moon is between the bright planet Jupiter and Saturn. The day after, the moon is below and to the left of Jupiter. Here are the moon phases for this month. Last quarter is June 2nd, new moon is on the 10th, first quarter is the 17th, and full moon is on the 24th. And that's all for this month's Sky Report. Until next time, cheerio.